Nomex Comfort is made from inherent fibers. What this means is that every molecule of Nomex fiber is flame resistant, end to end, through and through. Conversely, some FR workwear is made from non-inherent materials. Non-inherent materials start with fibers that by themselves are flammable, such as cotton. After weaving, the fabric is treated with flame retardant chemical to be flame resistant. Here we are comparing two different coveralls, one made from Nomex Comfort versus one made with non-inherent 88% cotton, 12% nylon blend, flame retardant treated fabric. Both garments are certified to industry standards, were not worn in the field, but were laundered 100 times using industry standard wash and dry conditions. These thermal mannequin tests are done according to test procedure ASTM F1930 with a 3-second exposure of average 2 calories per second per square centimeter of heat energy. After the burn, the garments were carefully removed from the test mannequin. A highly respected safety expert from the oil and gas industry recently shared with DuPont some of the insights he has collected over an impressive career selecting FR workwear. About once a year, he evaluates thermal performance of different FR garment configurations using a specialized procedure he has developed over time. One of his key criteria is the after-burn structural integrity of FR clothing. Nomex Comfort by DuPont is particularly good at maintaining its integrity after a flash fire exposure. Here we have 6 ounce per square yard coveralls, and what you'll notice is that there has been a color change, and that's due to a reaction from the fabric dye, but this does not affect the afterburn performance. You can see that the fabric has maintained its flexibility. There are few, if any, holes, breaks, or tears in the fabric. The reason this is so important is that in the event of a thermal emergency, an employee needs to maintain their mobility and that continued layer of protection so that they can escape to safety. It's important to note that Nomex Comfort and Nomex Essential, known as 3A, show similar afterburn performance. The 7 ounce per square yard non-inherent garment continued to burn even after the burners for the test had gone out. It doesn't have flexibility, and it really can't move with you if you need to escape. What you can see is the garment is losing its structural integrity. This could create a dangerous situation for an employee who is trying to escape a fire or high heat emergency, because what they really need is their mobility and continued protection until they can get to safety. The wear life of a garment is different for different types of FR fabric. With inherent fibers like Nomex, if the garment is not soiled, torn, or worn out, you can be confident the FR protection is there because it is built into every bit of the fiber. If you specify non-inherent workwear, you will need to follow the supplier's recommendations to be sure it is retired at the appropriate time.